3 days ago, I had a meeting with a client for a brand video. No script, no execution plan yet, just some brainstorm concepts in my head. I opened Framia Pro, just typed 2 sentences, and 20 minutes later, I had a full demo video. Voiceover, music, storyboard, everything generated. I sent it to my client right away, and we continued the discussion from there. I didn't write a single prompt. I only used this very intelligent, creative AI agents platform, Framia Pro. Let me show you how this was even possible. Here's what's been broken about AI video tools up until now. Most of them need you to think like an engineer to get results. You need the perfect prompt, the perfect inputs, the perfect setup. And if you don't have that, you get generic, repetitive output that looks nothing like what you had in your head. And the worst part, you end up spending more time fighting the tool than actually creating. You run the same generation 6, 7, 8 times, you tweak the prompt, you try a different model, you get something almost right, and then it falls apart on the next shot. That's what people call generate and pray. And it is absolutely killing creative productivity. That's not a creative tool. That's just a new kind of friction. Framia Pro's creative AI agent doesn't work that way. It doesn't need you to be a prompt expert. It only asks for your simplest ideas, written in plain, everyday language, and it understands you. It takes what you actually mean and turns it into something real. That's the shift, from struggling to communicate with AI to just telling it what you want. So Framia Pro, let me tell you what this actually is, because it's generally unlike anything else out there. It is an AI-powered creative platform, one subscription that gives you access to 9 specialized AI agents and over 20 AI models, all working together. We're talking about video generation, image generation, music, voiceover, design, everything. And it takes you from a raw idea to a fully upload-ready video in 15 to 30 minutes. And I want to be really clear about something, because this is important. Framia Pro is not a footage editor. It's not CapCut, it's not Final Cut, it's a generator and a creative agent platform. You're not trimming and cutting your way through a timeline, you're directing an AI that builds the whole thing for you from scratch. Think of it like having a director, a designer, and a composer all on call, available at any moment, who never get tired and never need a brief rewritten 4 times. When you're on a blank canvas in Framia Pro, you press add to upload any local footage or reference image. That clip becomes an element in the chat box. And from there, you type instructions to the AI agent in plain language. What you want it to look like, the vibe, the tone, the story you're trying to tell, and it generates a brand new AI video for you. Script, voice, music, images, storyboard, clips, final video, all from the agent straight to you. And here's the part I really love. Framia Pro's AI agent writes the prompts for you. You bring the idea, it handles all the technical language to make it happen. You never have to stare at a blank prompt page wondering if you phrased it correctly. Let me make this concrete with a real example, something I'd actually use in my own workflow. Say I'm pitching a cinematic brand film for an outdoor gear client. Normally that means scouting locations, organizing a test shoot, pulling reference footage, cutting a rough mood reel, and that's before a single frame of the actual project gets shot. That process alone could take days. With Framia Pro, I open the movie agent, which is built specifically for cinematic storytelling, with emotional dialogue and narrative structure. I type something like cinematic brand film for a rugged outdoor gear company, golden hour in the mountains, emotional voiceover about pushing limits, clean and editorial. That's it. The agent takes that, builds a script, generates a storyboard, composes the music, adds voiceover,
some journeys you don't know if you're ready for,
and delivers a full visual demo, something I can literally show the client in a meeting to get an alignment on look and feel. That's not a rough cut, that's a pitch tool, and I built it in 20 minutes instead of 2 days. And the storyboard timeline editor means I can see every shot laid out visually, regenerate individual shots that aren't right without touching the rest, and use the chat to edit feature to make targeted adjustments. Make the shot wider, change the color grade to cooler tones, add more tension to the music, precise targeted corrections, no regenerating the entire video from scratch. That right there is where Framia Pro is completely different from anything else. It's not generate and hope, it's generate, review, and refine with surgical precision. And it's not just video, because Framia Pro is a full creative platform, video design and audio, all all under one roof. The design agents give you professional level visual output and brush level control. Split layers so you can edit individual elements, text, images, shapes, backgrounds completely independently. A brush tool for pixel level fine tuning. And the same chat to edit approach, you type make the logo 20% bigger, add a red banner at the top, change the background to a sunset gradient, and it happens without regenerating the entire design. If you're running multiple brand accounts, delivering social content every week, or managing creative across different platforms, this is the tool that makes that sustainable. Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, LinkedIn graphics, e-commerce product images, all generated, all editable, all export ready in the right format for every platform automatically. And the music? Framia Pro has dedicated music generation models. Suno V5, Eureka version 7.5 for full instrumental and lyrical tracks, plus 11 Labs V3 and Minimax for voiceover and audio. So your video isn't just visually complete, it sounds professional too. Everything in one subscription, instead of paying for Runway, Midjourney, CapCut, Canva, and a music licensing platform separately. That's easily $200 to $500 a month in tools replaced by one. Now here's the thing I keep coming back to when I think about what Framia Pro actually changed for me. Before I started using it, I had 12 video ideas sitting in my notes that I'd never touched. Not because the ideas weren't good, but because the production felt too heavy, too technical, too far from where I was. Every time I looked at that list, I tell myself, maybe this weekend, and then I'd close the app. The last 3 days, I've made half of them already, and I generally can't wait to post them. That's what happens when the wall between your idea and a finished video basically disappears. You stop waiting and you just make the thing. That's who Framia Pro is built for. Filmmakers who want to pitch faster and pre-viz without a shoot. Solo creators who are doing everything themselves. Small teams and agencies managing multiple brands. E-commerce sellers who need product content at scale. Marketing managers who need daily content across TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts without burning out. If you've ever had a great idea and you didn't have the time, the budget, or the crew to make it happen, Framia Pro is how you make it happen anyway. If you want to try it yourself, the link is in the description. Use my link to get an extra 200 free credits after you log in. Go check it out, see what it can do, and get started. And if you use it and it changes how you create, come back and tell me in the comments. I genuinely want to hear. Look, I've used a lot of tools recently. I don't hype things up just to hype them. But Framia Pro is the first AI creative platform that actually met me where I was as a filmmaker. No prompt engineering, no juggling 5 different subscriptions, no generate and pray, just your vision and an AI agent intelligent enough to execute it. That's what changes the game. Not just saving time, but finally being able to make the stuff you've always wanted to make at the speed your ideas actually move. So go check out Framia Pro. The link is in the description, and I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.